Hi, my name is Gloria and I teach math. It's never too late to learn. You can always go back and review old things. Anything that is foundational, you can always review it, relearn it. I think you should do that if you're missing on some things. Some things are really essential to move forward. So I think tutoring really helps because you don't just get the answer straight, but you can start relearning from the past and understanding concepts from like the very start. Most important advice is don't struggle too much by yourself. Like you can always ask for help, and sometimes you really need it, and it'll make things so much easier. Even just having a friend group, having a tutor, anything that like helps you gain knowledge from someone else and not just try and figure things out on your own and overburdening yourself. I think that's really important. The most difficult things when teachers assume you know something, but maybe you don't. So I think breaking down the concept and starting from the very beginning, like assessing whether what you understand so far and going from there, I think that really matters to take it step by step and not assume anything. And to just break it down simply and always ask, do you understand that? Or working through problems and making sure you can solve it yourself, not just me solving something and you're just staring.